Welcome to Grand Cayman, the largest of the three Cayman Islands and one of the Caribbean's most fascinating destinations. Today, we're diving into some fun facts and local knowledge that make this island truly unique. Let's start with geography. Grand Cayman is only about 22 miles long and 8 miles across at its widest point, yet it's home to some of the Caribbean's most luxurious resorts, stunning beaches, and world-class diving locations. But it wasn't always known for tourism. In fact, Cayman was once called Las Tortugas by early Spanish explorers because of the abundance of sea turtles that lived in the surrounding waters. Speaking of the ocean, Grand Cayman is actually the top of an underwater mountain, rising 20,000 feet from the sea floor. That's why it's one of the premier dive destinations in the world. The famous Cayman Wall just offshore is a breathtaking underwater cliff where the ocean floor suddenly drops thousands of feet, making the water incredibly deep and incredibly blue. Now let's talk about 7 Mile Beach. Despite the name, it's not quite 7 miles long. It's closer to about 5.5 miles, depending on erosion and tide. But it's consistently ranked as one of the world's best beaches, known for its powdery coral sand and calm, clear water. What makes it especially unique is that the beach is all public access, meaning anyone can walk the full stretch from end to end. Another interesting fact, Grand Cayman has no direct property tax, no income tax, and no corporate tax. This makes it one of the most business-friendly and investment-friendly jurisdictions in the world. That economic stability contributes to the high standard of living and strong real estate market. While you may find Cayman smaller than many Caribbean islands, the infrastructure, from banking and roads to dining and healthcare, is exceptionally well developed. Now, one of the most iconic attractions is Stingray City. This natural sandbar allows visitors to stand in waist-deep, crystal-clear water while interacting with wild, yet extremely friendly southern stingrays. These stingrays have been visiting fishermen in the area for generations, and over time, they came to associate humans with food and gentle interaction. And here's a fun one. Grand Cayman is home to the world's first commercial undersea submarine tour, which allows guests to explore the ocean floor without ever getting wet. This speaks to Cayman's deep connection to the water, both culturally and economically. Lastly, Caymanians are known for their warmth, hospitality, and unique Caymanian dialect, a blend influenced by African, British, and Jamaican languages. The national motto, "He hath founded it upon the seas," is a reminder of how deeply the island's identity is connected to the ocean. So whether you're here to relax, invest, explore, or connect with local culture, Grand Cayman offers a rare blend of natural beauty, stability, and Caribbean charm.